If you get a job in New Zealand and don't understand this process, you can lose this opportunity. Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. If you are new here, I share real information about working and living in New Zealand. No hype, no false promises. In this video, I will walk you through the Accredited Employer Work Visa process step by step in plain language. Are you ready? Okay, let's start by saying your first step is to get a job offer from an accredited employer. First, you must have received a job offer from a New Zealand employer who is accredited by Immigration New Zealand. And where do you have to check this? Just go to immigration.govt.nz. At that particular website, you are able to see which company is accredited or not. If the employer is not accredited, the Accredited Employer Work Visa will not work for you. Right. Now, step 2 is that you need to receive a formal written offer. I will re-echo that again. I've seen a lot of people being scammed about job offers in New Zealand that are fake, right? So the job offer must be written and it will include the following. Number 1 is the title, the duties, the salary or hourly rate, the hours of work, the location where you'll be staying. So a verbal offer is not enough. It's never enough. And step 3 is employer will complete a job check. Now, after completing your job, job offer, you have gotten everything you need to do, the employer must complete a job check with the Immigration New Zealand, and this confirms that the role meets New Zealand employment and immigration rules. After that, the step 4 is that the job check will be approved and then a token will be issued. We call it job token because basically once your job token is issued, it can be sent to you for you to then go ahead and apply for the visa. Without this token, you cannot apply for the visa. Please take note. And the next step is you prepare your document. You have the normal document you need to gather will be your passport, your job offer, your job token, your CV will be uploaded, your police character or police clearance, your medical examination is very key. I've seen some people will tell you no medical, you don't do interview, you don't do anything and you get an offer. It is all false. Please be warned. And then you need to apply for the visa online. And applying for it, you have to go to the portal, Immigration New Zealand portal. Please go to Immigration New Zealand portal, immigration.govt.nz. Upload all your necessary documents, complete the form, and pay for the visa fee. As per medicals, police character, they are all required if you are staying more than 6 months in the country, and definitely job offer should be more than that. Right, then you need to wait for a decision. Processing time varies, and Immigration New Zealand may approve the visa request, or they ask for more information or decline. Nobody has the right to give you 100% guarantee that you are going to get your visa, because no one is Immigration New Zealand, that is currently reviewing the visa. So visa is being approved, which is your final stage, and travel. You just have to travel at that level. And when my visa was approved, I then start looking for how to book flight, and I will talk about the route you need to take for you to beat transit or thereabout. So I'll talk about that in my next video. If you want, you can just put a comment. Maybe talk about the salary threshold, talk about reason why your application gets rejected, or how to move from your accredited employer to residency. Just let me know which one you want me to talk about. Kindly subscribe, like this video, and comment AEWV below. Thank you very much.